Everyone, welcome back to my another video. In my previous video, we discussed how shallow and deep copying happen. So this is crucial to understand, especially when we are working with nested data structures like arrays within arrays or object within object. So here we are going to focus only nested arrays. So let's talk firstly shallow copy of nested arrays. So when you create a shallow copy of nested array, you will get a new array at the outermost level, but the inner arrays are still references to the same arrays as the original. Okay, so any changes made to the element of these inner arrays will reflect in both the original and copied array as well. So let me try to write this concepts in the code. Const original array equal to, I'm going to take here nested array 1 2 3 comma 4 5 6. Okay, this is our nested array. I'm going to make a shallow copy of this shallow array equal to, how we can do in shallow copy, we can do just via spread operator. Okay, so just pass this original array here. Okay, shallow array I'm going to create. So let's improve the spell here. So let's print this both. Okay, so I'm going to print here in tabular form to understand the nested way here. Console.table and just pass the original array here. Okay, and other I'm going to console.table. So actually we have different method for consoles which you can use to see your arrays. So what are methods? You can just see here like console. When you click the console, once you press the dot, then you can see that what other methods we have: assert, clear, count, so directory, error, info, table, time. So there are a lot of methods we have, but not using daily to daily. But let's try to use here console.log to see the name separately because it's going to be confusing. So original array here and other logs I'm going to use for console.log for shallow array after making a shallow copy. Okay, so let's see the output in a console. So you see here we have original array line number 6 and here we have line number 9 shallow array. So in original array we have 0th index 1, 1th index we have 2 and second index we have 3. So it's like this is our nested arrays. So if you want to get this first element, then 0th of 0th. If you want to get this 2, then you have to 0th and 1th. If you want to get 3, then 0th and 2. Same way for the 4. How you can get the 4 from 1 of 0. So this kind of multi-dimensional array to get the element. Okay, so let me try to write here modification and element in a shallow copy. So we have shallow copy, shallow array we have here, and what are the purpose? I'm trying to make a changes of this element. Which element? 1. So how we can get access this? 0th of 0. So modifying element in the shallow copy of the first element. So how can get access in the multi-dimensional array? 0th of 0th. And what do we want to make changes? I want to make changes here 200. Okay, so let's see the output of original array and shallow array. Okay, let me refresh. If you not able to see, just make some changes here or colon and see the output here. You see the 0th and 0th index, first index we have 200 and shallow array also we have a 200. So basically make an element into the shallow modification. When we make element in shallow copy, it's also affect out the original array as well. So let me write here modifying the first element of the inner array in the shallow array also affect the original array array. Okay, hope you are able to understand. So let's try to understand the deep copy as well. Okay, so as you see now, for shallow copy we have inbuilt methods or options like spread operator, we have slice method, we have concat method, we have array.from. So basically we have different inbuilt method in JavaScript to achieve this shallow copy. But for deep copy we not have any inbuilt methods. So earlier we achieved by json.stringify or json.parse, but recently the one word is added, structured clone function is added by the ECMAScript 2019 or ES10. Okay, so they introduced this structured clone. So I'm going to discuss deep copy. So how you can achieve the deep copy? They have introduced the one keyword structured. So if you are not aware, just go here and try to write a window dot structured clone. Okay, you are able to see that here, this keyword. So actually they recently added structured clone. So in ES10, okay, they added. So let me try to write this structured clone. Let me copy the here exact wording. Might be the spell down happen sometime. So structured clone. Okay, so let me write the same stuff do the for deep copy. So I'm going to, already we have original array, I'm not going to modify this, just going to take from above. So let's write the deep copy equal to, how we are going to make a deep copy? I'm going to make a deep copy by a structured clone. Okay, structured clone, what they take a value, any and options. So I'm going to just pass in here original nested array, which we already have defined in earlier. Okay, so let's see the how we can see output here for this. So let me again console this console.table and this deep copy. Okay, and also here we can just console.log to just understand that this is our deep copy. Okay, deep copy equal to here. So let's see the output here in a console. So let me refresh and clear this and just see here the output. You see shallowArray we have, that's fine. Deep copy we have, and why not showing the deep copy structured clone original array, structured array clone original array we are passing, that's fine. Deep copy not showing. Okay, they are showing, but okay, yeah, this one showing here the bottom of here. So that's why let me uncomment the previous one, so it would be visible more would be. So I'm going to comment this one and this one as well. So let's see the output now. Okay, so we have original array 200 1 2 3 4 and deep copy this. Let me also comment this shallow modification as well, then we are able to see clearly here. Okay, so you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So let's try to make a modification here in a deep copy. How we can do similar stuff what we tried the earlier. I'm going to do here in deep copy by accessing the index of 0th. I'm going to make here 300. Okay, so let's see the output for the same. You see in a deep copy we changed at the 0th index, but it's not making any effect in our original array. So what happened in a, when you make a modification, so deep copy, what happens, the modifying element, let me write down here, modifying elements in the copied array does not affect the original array. Okay, so this is the difference between the shallow copy and original copy, sorry, shallow copy and deep copy. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing with your friends. Your support means the world to us, and it motivates us to create more content like in the future. So don't forget to leave your comments and thoughts in a comment section. Thank you for watching.